Hello everyone. Today I'm going to give a demo global cybersecurity threats. So the main object of this project is to develop a predictive model and also it will estimate the financial losses and also it will estimate the resolution time and also it will predict the severity level based on the cybersecurity dataset. So now we can see the flowchart. So initially we have collected the dataset and second step is data pre-processing. And after data pre-processing, third step is machine learning models. We will train those dataset, cybersecurity dataset through the model. And based on that, it will predict the attack type and also financial loss level and also resolution time category. And the fourth is it will also predict severity level. We can see the code. We type ideally. Click on open. Right, open. On train file. So here, these are the libraries we used. So this pandas is used for to read the data set. If the data set is in Excel sheet or CSV file, we will use pandas. And after that, NumPy is used for array conversion. And joblib is used to save the model. And matplotlib seaborn is used for to display the graph. And random forest classifier is the ML model. We will through this algorithm we will train the data set and this is the pre-processing techniques label encoder and standard scaler. And here after once the data set is collected we will split the data set using this library train test split. And if you want to display the report classification report like accuracy we will use this library. And random oversampler, if the data set is less, it will create a duplicate set of data set to increase the accuracy. And here we are reading the data set. And first is the collection of data set, and second is the pre-processing techniques, like label encoder and standard scaler. It will convert if the data set is in character form, it will convert into the zeros and ones with the library label encoder. And this is the loss category. And using matplotlib, it will display the graph. Here we are taking x and y, where x is the input, y is the target. In the algorithm, random forest algorithm, to classify the output, click on run model. First, we display the distribution of attack types and along x-axis attack type and from y-axis count. Based on the dataset, it will display targets. So here we have 5 targets. file classification, and this is the financial loss. This is the number of affected users. Yes. And this is the incident resolution time. And this is the correlation matrix. So this is the targets. What is the date? These are the features, country, target industry. These are the features we have taken. And based on it, it will display the correlation matrix. So once the graph it is displayed, it will display the classification report. This is the attack type. So we have six targets. This is the attack types, and this is the financial loss, and this is the time category. So after once the training part is completed, model will be saved, and saved model you can see here in the pickle file. After once the model will be saved, you can go through the testing code. Click on File, Open, Testing. So this is the model. We are using joblib.load model. We are loading the model, and also we are encoding. Also we are loading. Based on that, it will flip the output. Click on Run model. Here you can give the input based on the data set. You can give the container. The target industry education. Year 2019. And number of affected users. And we can check for the attack source. Click on predict. Here you will get the attack time, financial loss, and also resolution time level, and also severity level. So based on this input, it will display this output. Next, we can check for another input. Number of affected users, attack source, hacker group, conflict. So we will get the attack type and also financial loss and also resolution and severity level.